So today we are going to see uh, Go enabled, CGO enabled one. So this is the under Golang Champion. So this is under Golang Champion series. So this is something about the cross compile. So when we cross compile our project to some other environment, like being in a Mac, like let's say we have the Mac system and we want to cross compile, that is for the Linux system, and we want to make the Go enabled one. And usually Go build in this way, it will create the executable file. That files go and run in a Linux system. So that's the way. This is the way to cross compile. But usually, we can make it 0. So the 0 is we do not need CGO, and that's fine. If you make it 0, that's fine. It works and it's great. It will compile and create an executable file. That's name is main, and we can run that in a Linux environment. But sometimes we need CGO enabled one, and we need to compile from our Mac system. So the one of the scenarios recently, I used uh, one of the library that is for MySQL. That is not a MySQL, SQLite 3. So it's a Go SQLite 3. So library. So if I use that library, we need to enable CGO 1. There is a C related code over there, and you can choose some other library where uh, there is no requirement of the CGO enable. So in that case, I also found if you use another library can be slower than that one. So so the requirement is we need to make the CGO enabled one, and then we want to compile our project for different operating system. So that's why we have to do this one. And if you run this, there will be a lot of errors you will see, and it will not compile correctly. So in order to solve the problem, you need to install this thing in a Mac. So this is just a one-time install, the brew install, and you can run this, and it will install in a maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And after that, you can execute this line. So Linux, again, this is same till here, enable one. And then additionally, we are adding this few lines here till here. And that this comes from this brew install part. So you can use this and then run the go build, ldflags, link mode external, extldflags, static, and then you can give the path. So yeah, so go build is here, and then we added some flags, some parameter, and then your project name, and then it will compile and build the executable file. Then you can rename that executable file to whatever you like, and then move that to the Linux, and it will run. So that's a quick video. Just I wanted to show you how to compile your code with Go enabled one. That's all for now. Thank you.